For the next video, we're going to discuss the summary of Chapter 7 entitled IP version for communication. A host successfully connected to a network can communicate with other devices in one of three ways. The first one is the unicast, the process of sending a packet from one host to an individual host. Then the broadcast, the process of sending a packet from one host to all hosts in the network. Then the last one is the multicast, the process of sending a packet from one host to a selected group of hosts, possibly in different networks. These three types of communication are used for different purposes in data networks. In all three cases, the IP version 4 address of the originating host is placed in the packet header as the source address. Unicast transmission, unicast communication is used for normal host-to-host communication in both a client-server and a peer-to-peer network. Unicast packets use the address of the destination device as the destination address and can be routed through an internetwork. In an IP version 4 network, the unicast address applied to an end device is referred to as the host address, and for unicast communication, the address is assigned to the two end devices that are used as the source and the destination IP version 4 addresses. During the encapsulation process, the source host uses its IP version 4 address as the source address and the IP version 4 address of the destination host as the destination address, regardless of whether the destination specified a packet as a unicast, broadcast, or multicast. The process address of any packet is always the unicast address of the originating host. Note that all communication between devices is unicast unless otherwise noted. Broadcast transmission. Broadcast traffic is used to send packets to all hosts in the network using the broadcast address. Within a broadcast, the packet contains a destination IP version 4 address with all ones first the host portion, and this means that all hosts on that local network broadcast domain will receive and look at the packet. Then many network protocols such as DHCP use broadcast. When a host receives a packet sent to the network broadcast address, the host processes the packet as it would a packet address to its unicast address. Multicast transmission. It reduces traffic by allowing a host to send a single packet to a selected set of hosts that subscribe to a multicast group. Hosts that receive particular multicast data are called multicast clients, and the multicast clients use services requested by a client program to subscribe to the multicast group. Each multicast group is represented by a single IP version for multicast destination address. When an IP version 4 host subscribes to a multicast group, the host processes packets addressed to this multicast address and packets addressed to its uniquely allocated unicast address. Now we're done discussing the summary of Chapter 7.